Hello everyone. New Year is coming. This is our open frame touch monitor facility. Every budget here is busy for the open frame assembly. And this shot had 200 pieces, 21.5-inch open frame touch monitor. The application is used in self-service kiosk. Recently now they are all assembly there, and then we will push them to the high and low temperature house for the aging test. Okay, let's go. The 21.5 inch, and they are smaller. The smaller one is 10.1 inch. The application is also for the kiosk. Okay. Select here. Yeah. Come. I would like to introduce this 21.5-inch open frame touch monitor. We can see somebody call them closed frame, and here it's white. Why? Did you know why they're white? Okay, let's explain to you. Because in China, a lot of the medicine machine, the hospital, they like white. The machine is white, and the doctor, they wear white shoes, and also the machine, they like white. So the pickup touchscreen, the frame, and the printing are white. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the tactic. The tactic. Uh, this is the touch testing. Our colleague here, she is doing the touch testing. Okay, this is white is for the medicine. This is the display testing display. Yeah, to see you can see it's white, black. Yeah. Okay. Let's let's go to the aging room to have a look. All this assembly finished. There are 18.5 inch. It is 150 units there. Okay, that come in. The temperature here is 15. It's 45 to 50 temperature. Okay. What testing? Some had finished the testing, the electronic part of. Some is still testing. Yes, you can see they are all testing here. It's 10.1 inch. They are 15 inch. They are 21.5 inch, and they are 25.1 inch. 21.5 inch. And they are all 32 inch. I didn't test there, okay? 32 inch. Okay, that's all. Thank you.